Trust me.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Just a couple quick ones. First, for those of us that don't understand or maybe know, what does that headgear represent for you?
Что твоя вот кепка для тебя значит?
Я по национальности татарин, нас в мире около 8 миллионов человек, по всему миру, по всей России. И я единственный представитель своей нации высшей лиги смешанных единоборств. А это наша тюркская и татарская тюбетейка, поэтому дань хвале своей нации, уважение к своей национальности, я одел ее, чтобы ребята, молодые ребята смотрели, что может своим трудом и желанием достичь вершин.
Guys, I want you to remind that he's represent Tatar nation, and he's the first UFC, not just he's the first man Tatar who stepped in the UFC, and it's very important for him to represent his nation. Very important to show the kids, young generation, that you can do anything. A lot of kids in the villages, they're dreaming about, they think that it's impossible, but he wants to show, like, give him his example. Everything is possible in this life. Just believe in yourself. Our nation has only 8 million people around the world. That's it. And I'm very proud what I've done, and I just hope that I will have lots of following. And this hat is our national hat.